wanted to create an open and collaborative work environment that is fun and colorful. This design has a Bauhaus sensibility, which is functional, simple, sustainable and unified with technology.
Alexa, switch on wall lights.
You can see a lot of geometry around in the lamps, accessories, side tables, sofas. We have retained the truth to materials. If you can see the AC ducts, they have not been concealed. They have been painted and made to look nice and playful. We have leveraged our love for art. Banksy on the wall, and we see the other wall is inspired by Piet Mondrian. We've used Roy Lichtenstein on blinds, Andy Warhol on blinds. You know, we had a ball. We reused a lot of old furniture, tires, bottles, audio cassettes to give them a completely new form. The storage is inspired by Lego, which is a great example of an inclusive design.
We wanted our design process to be reflected in this space.
We have plenty of collaboration spaces with windows for natural lighting. All the walls are writable surfaces to facilitate ad hoc brainstorming, doodles and rapid prototyping.
The tables tell stories about the users, customers and the designers. The whole idea was any non-designer or a customer who walks in would immediately know our design process and get their right brain working too.
You know, the whole concept was how to unoffice an office. And here we are.
When we're creating space like this, it's not just about giving individuals freedom to discover what they can do, but in creating an environment that is so tightly coupled with science and technology that people can get a sense of how far they can push the boundary, how far the envelope can actually be taken to deliver that magic to their customers.
We can see a lot of movement, magic and masti happening here.
Part of the experience that we want to deliver can only be felt when you actually come and work here. Come and spend some time with us. Come and discover what you can do and what we can do for you.
Come, let's collaborate and create.
Let's create magic together.